Have has had से students को बहुत confusion होते हैं and I can understand their frustration. I'm Sarah from Gateway English and today I'm going to clear all your confusion about have, has, and had. But first, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks! Have has had से confusion रहता है क्योंकि actually उनका एक ही मतलब नहीं है. Have has had 3 अलग situations में use किया जाता है. Before we get started, just remember have and has are present tense. Have plural के साथ use किया जाता है and has singular के साथ. Had is the second form of have and has. इससे past tense बनते हैं. Okay, तो आप कौन सी situations में use कर सकते हैं? Situation 1. I have a Vivo phone. Have has had से हम use करते हैं जब हम बताना चाहते हैं कि कुछ अपना है. जैसे इस sentence में मैं बता रही हूँ कि मेरा Vivo phone है. I have. Have has had से भी हम बता सकते हैं कि कुछ मेरे हाथ में है. A thing is in my possession. For example, you left your bag at my house. I have your bag. इसका मतलब नहीं है कि बैग मेरा है. इसका मतलब है आपके बैग मेरे हाथ में है. I have your bag. Here are some other examples जिसमें have has had का मतलब है कुछ अपना है. He has 3 sisters. I had a nice watch, but it broke. We have a house in the mountains. Situation 2. I have to work late tonight. इस situation में have has had to के साथ आता है. इसका मतलब है कि कुछ काम ज़रूरी है. मुझे करना ही है. ज़बरदस्ती है. कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. जब भी आपको कुछ करना ही है तो आप have has had plus to के साथ बता सकते हैं. For example, Grandma has to eat less sugar for her health. You have to finish your homework before the party. Yesterday, he had to go to Delhi. Situation 3. He has gone to Thailand twice. इस situation में हम have has had से tenses बना रहे हैं. उन शब्दों का कुछ मतलब नहीं है, बस उसे tenses बनते हैं. और वो tenses क्या है? That's right, the perfect tenses. Have has plus third form के साथ present perfect tense बनते हैं. Had plus third form के साथ past perfect tense बनते हैं. And will have plus third form से future perfect tense बनते हैं. Here are some examples. I've never seen the Taj Mahal. We had spoken to him before leaving. You will have eaten by 10 p.m. क्या आपको पता है perfect tenses कहाँ यूज़ किया जाता है? No? अगर आप perfect tense की वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं तो आप हमें comment section में बता सकते हैं. So, there are 3 situations in which we can use have, has, and had. अगर आपने अकेले देखा तो उसका मतलब है कि कुछ अपना है या अपना हाथ में है. अगर आपने to के साथ देखा तो इसका मतलब है कि कुछ करना ज़रूरी है. और अगर आपने third form के साथ देखा तो आपका कुछ perfect tense चल रहा है. Can you practice by putting an example of each in the comment section below? I'd love to hear from you. See you next time. Bye.